How to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, click on the option of your story. Select any of the picture. Now, at the top, you're gonna find this music option. Click on that. Here, you're gonna find tons of music option. Also, you can search for it. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. You can search for any of the music. After it appears, you can click on it and set it for your story. But in case you are unable to find the music you are searching for, what you can do is you can head back. Now, navigate to your profile page. You'll need to customize this setting as this might fix the issue. Click on three bars. Now, scrolling down, you're gonna find the section of Creator Tools and Controls. Click on it. Now, click on the option Switch Account Type. If you have set your account to the business account or the professional account, you might not get access to all the music, so you'll need to set it to personal account. Click on Switch to Personal Account. Click on Switch to Personal Account. After you do that, you'll be good to go. Your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is update your Instagram. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. So this way you are able to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.